You may have noticed that over the past several years, Internet of Things or IoT devices are connecting everything from thermostats to cars. There are already over 8 billion IoTs in use today, growing to 50 billion in the next 3 years. By 2020, IoTs will impact 6% of the global economy. How do IoTs address real business challenges of the digital economy? Despite their advances and capabilities, IoTs have still not reached their full business potential. Why? The number one inhibitor cited by executives? Security. IoTs are purpose-built, imagination-driven hardware and software that enable entirely new markets and industries. They can range from a $5 sensor to multi-million-dollar mining machines. In most cases, though, IoTs have just enough resources to satisfy the purpose they serve and no more. Their small size and low cost lets them be embedded into, well, anything and everything. This ubiquity makes them highly distributed and mobile. And with recent advances, IoTs have expanded technology lifespans up to 20 years. So, what problems do IoTs solve? IoTs fundamentally change the way businesses execute their key processes. There has been an explosion of devices that listen and act without human intervention. Entire processes are being rewritten to bring efficiencies to diverse markets such as medical, transportation, utilities, manufacturing, and smart buildings. And billions of these devices are currently in service, with billions more on the way. The industry has put IoTs to use in processing microtransactions. Microtransactions are when IoTs and crypto technologies come together. While crypto technologies like blockchain can validate transactions, they do not secure and can leave entire platforms vulnerable and exposed. Security is the challenge to overcome for IoTs to achieve widespread use. In production, IoTs don't function autonomously. They are codependent on remote and often third-party components and systems. Even though networks, IoTs, applications, and operators are codependent, each may be owned and managed by altogether different organizations. Besides protection from the internet, each of these components also need to be protected from one another. One of the largest attacks to date was waged using unprotected, distributed IoTs. Because of their scattered and mobile nature, as well as their codependencies, traditional security technologies just can't support this new model. This is where Acreto comes in. Acreto's patent-pending ecosystem technology protects IoT platforms under a single umbrella. This includes distributed and resource-challenged IoTs and the applications they are dependent on. Acreto's platform is IoT scalable, designed to protect billions of transactions rather than a handful of customers. And through innovation, we've eliminated complex implementation and burdensome logistics, all the while reducing cost. Acreto enables any size organization to securely build and scale their new generations of IoT platforms. With the explosive growth of IoTs, how will the market support and secure IoT platforms? Acreto is IoT Security, and it's available today to address the last remaining challenge for the IoT market to achieve full potential. Acreto, IoT simply secured.